So here's what is happening at Caesar's Palace. That's the casino. And now they've built a little hallway because there's a ton of construction going on with the new entrance. So this is where guests walk between the entrance that's open because that entrance is now closed. And this puts guests out into the main check-in area near the fountain and all that. Yes, Caesar actually lives here. And it's a busy, busy time in Las Vegas and at Caesar's. So now you get a little better orientation. We're in the lobby fountain. And that's the temporary walkway entrance because there's a lot going on out there. Love this fountain. So now we're outside and you know where this is, Terraza. But right out front you can see there's a massive crane. That's a beauty. Oh, Omnia, free entry. And so this is the iconic entrance that's been featured in movies like Ocean's 11, I think. And so now there's a little mesh to conceal or attempt to conceal the construction. It's pretty loud. I trust it doesn't continue through the night, so guests still have a quiet experience. I thought it'd be fun to walk this little path. People are being dropped off at the usual entrance. Oh, here's a little security breach. Oh. I think that cement mixer is running off the battery from that truck, but I don't know anything about such things. So yeah, there's mesh on the parts where we should be able to see what's up. You can see a little bit if you push your phone up against the mesh. Not much though. Hey, it's low tech. I don't have my drone. And this is where the little walkway ends. That's the drop-off pickup area. And it's going to be a beautiful new entrance soon, as they say in the business. It's never soon enough. Oh man, I gotta get in there.